Hi, my name is Raghav Kedia. I am a T.I.M.E student and I am enrolled at the Malad batch. I have scored 217 in the NMAT exam and I have got a call from NMAT Mumbai. And I have just gone through, I've come here for the GD workshop and I've just been through one of the case discussion sessions and they have been very helpful. The topic that I received in the case discussion was on FMCG brands such as Patanjali and HUL and how they would be able to compete with each other in the natural space and otherwise as well. So the main thing that I've learned from the case discussion here is that you need to keep your points short and crisp, and there has to be a conclusion. You don't need to keep throwing in points which don't make any sense. You either have to summarize the topic or you have to give something. You have to give a entry that will be good enough for someone else to summarize it in the end. That being said, the rest is quite simple. Just be yourself. It's like a normal discussion. There is no pressure as such. You don't have to necessarily start the conversation. If you have good points, you can get in without any issue. Other than that, some pointers for the NMAT exam. Just go ahead with the books that NMAT has given you. Alongside, they have some special lectures for NMAT in terms of English, grammar, and some of the logic that they have. The quant is pretty straightforward, which is right out of the book of the T.I.M.E series. So other than that, there are also some GMAT exams which you get free. You get one free attempt with when you enroll for NMAT. So use that, and if you need more, you can always use 3 more GMAT exams which they give. Other than that, the T.I.M.E schedule also offers around 4-5 OMETs in terms of NMAT, which have been really helpful because they also help you understand how much time and the exact structure of how the exam would be. So you can practice that at home. The best part of these exams is it's not invigilated, so you can do it from wherever you want and whenever you want, as per your convenience. And they always have very easy solutions. Basically, the solutions are quite straightforward and well defined, so you can easily understand all the questions if you couldn't answer them in time.